Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add custom shape in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my document in my Microsoft Word, and first of all I'm going to go to the insert menu, and if we want to insert custom shape, we can go to the shape and then select the symbol for freeform shape. Okay, and here you just need to draw the shape that you want, like this, and this is the shape guys. Wait, I'm going to rotate it, and then we can change the fill color and the outline, and it's up to you. For me, I'm going to change the fill color to this one. Alright, oops, sorry. I'm going to select shape fill and change the fill color. Okay, and you just need to customize it as you want. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create custom shape in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!